Hello everyone, welcome to Dream India SCRT English classes of class 9. Today I am going to teach you Unit 1 Reading B Beautiful Blue Planet. Beautiful Blue Planet is a poem written by Sir Fano the Night. We exist on planet Earth. It is known as Blue Planet because of the vast ocean. Looking down at you, planet Earth, I remember you as a beautiful blue. The poet is saying that someone is looking down from sky and remembering the old days when once the earth seems to be beautiful and blue due to the pure and clean water bodies and oceans. Now your oceans are black with oil. Our oceans are turned black from blue due to oil leakage while transporting. When the deep sea oil rig exploded, it polluted the water around it severely, making them significantly more dirty and dirty. Look closely, you know it is true. If you pay attention, then you will notice that how true I am saying, that how dirty the ocean become, how you have polluted it by throwing waste into the water bodies like oceans and rivers. How mess you have created. Your rainforests are all gone now. Rainforest means forests that get a lot of rain and have tall and dense trees. They all are disappearing from our environment, which help to cause rain. People used to cut it down to meet their selfish needs. And your ground is a sickly brown. The poet is saying that your land surface, which once used to be filled with greenery and nature, today it looks brown and dull because due to deforestation and less rainfall, it looks deadly. What in the world have they done to you? The poet is saying that the people who live around the world, what shit they have done to the beautiful blue planet. They have turned it into dirty, unhealthy, pretty planet in the round. Once the planet in which we exist used to be pretty beautiful, but today the things have changed. Once they used to be filled with fresh water, fresh air. Your white clouds once held fresh water. Once there was a time when the clouds used to appear white and they filled with fresh and clean water because there was less pollution, but today it is different. Now they are filled with acid rain. Acid rain is one of the consequences of air pollution. It occurs due to harmful gases of factories, vehicles that released into the air, which causes dreadful things to our environment. Your plains are barren with erosion. Your land and soil lost its fertility due to continuous use of pesticides and fertilizers. It becomes barren and unproductive, which causes soil erosion and damage the upper layer of the soil. They were once overflowing with grain. Once there was a time when the land was covered with greenery and grains, but now it loses its fertility due to continuous cutting of trees and burning of crop residues, which is very harmful. When did your clouds turn such deadly grey? The poet is saying, what happens to that white clouds? Why they turned so deadly, sick, brown? The clouds turned heavy and black due to pollution in the air and environment. Your air is impossible to breathe. The poet is saying that on earth now it's really difficult to survive because there is no fresh, pure and clean air. It is filled with pollution which causes many diseases to human beings. Didn't your stewards even notice? The poet is saying that didn't the people around the world have ever noticed their blunder, what they have done to the beautiful environment? They even didn't notice it. Before they started to gasp and wheeze means opening mouth to take in air, breathe with difficulty. So before facing this disaster problem, they didn't have taken any action. Could the powers that be not save you from such dismal end? How could the people around there, the savior, fail to protect? They didn't have power to save you from such dreadful and unpleasant environment. You were so right in killing them off. The poet is saying that what's done has gone, that you have killed the environment, you have turned the beautiful planet into a deadly environment, you have ruined it to fulfill your selfish needs. Now you can begin again. The poet is saying that what damage had already done, we can't change it, but we can start afresh by protecting our environment, by planting more and more trees, and by taking care of them and to love the nature. Will your next caretakers be smarter and take better care of you? Here, the poet wanted to know whether the coming generation will take better care of environment or not. They will love nature if we do, if we will guide them. So we have to do. I pray they learn to be protectors. We miss your beautiful blue. The poet is praying here that our next caretakers, our coming generation, should be protectors, not the destroyers. Here he is missing the old beautiful blue planet. So, what's the moral of the poem? Here, the poet wanted to convey a message that once again we should try to make our planet beautiful and blue. It's our collective and individual duty to preserve and tend to the world in which we all live. Be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution. Save the planet Earth and save the resources. Keep the oceans clean. Plant more and more trees. A beautiful environment starts with you. So love it, protect it, take care of the earth, and she will take care of you. It's our duty to love, protect, and care our environments. It's in our hand to stop pollution and spread awareness among the